Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from Tonkeeper to bank account. For that, you need to launch your Tonkeeper wallet, and over here in the top, you will be able to see your available balance. Now, in the Tonkeeper wallet, you won't be able to see any of the options that could help you to directly withdraw your money into your bank account. So, in order to serve this purpose, in order to get our money in the bank account, what you need to do is you need to use any other exchanges, like you can use OKX, KuCoin, Bybit, or even Binance. And first, you will have to send your Toncoin or your USDT into those exchanges, and from those exchanges you can get the money in your bank account. So in order to do it, you first need to tap on the send button, and here you will be asked to provide the deposit address, or you can even scan the QR code. So in order to get it, you need to open that exchange in which you want to send your USDT from your Tonkeeper wallet. For this video, I'm going to use Binance, so I simply tap on my Binance application, and here you need to select the deposit option on the home page. After that, select the deposit crypto option, and here in the top you need to search for USDT. Once you are able to find USDT, you will be asked to choose the network. So among the given networks, you need to select the Toncoin network, because for Tonkeeper wallet we always use the Toncoin network. So after selecting Toncoin network, you will be able to see the deposit address as well as the USDT memo. Now remember, when you are making the transactions in the Tonkeeper wallet, or basically with the help of the Tron network, you need to provide the memo details as well. So Binance has given you not only the deposit address but also the memo. So first you need to copy the address from here, then come to Tonkeeper wallet, paste the address in this section. After that, in the comments you just have to provide that memo, and then you need to press continue in the bottom. On the next page, you just have to enter the amount of USDT that you want to transfer from Tonkeeper wallet to Binance, and then tap on the withdraw button in order to initiate and conclude your withdrawal process. Now once this step is done, what will happen is you will get your money into your Binance account. So once you receive your USDT into your Binance account, you need to tap on the wallets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and here you need to tap on spot. Now your USDT will be in the spot wallet of yours, but here we want to convert it into our a funding wallet. So in order to do it, you need to come to funding, and here you need to tap on transfer. After that, you just have to tap on this arrow button, and you need to make the spot wallet in the top and the funding wallet in the bottom. After that, you just have to select USDT, and you need to get USDT in your funding wallet. Now once you have USDT in your funding wallet, you need to tap on funding in the top in your Binance app, and here you can see the option of P2P. Now as I'm currently in India, so in India the direct bank transfers are not happening as of right now. So for Indians, we have to use the P2P method. But in your country, if the direct bank transfers are available, then you just have to follow the steps in order to get your money into your bank account. But if you also want to use the P2P method, then you need to tap on P2P, and here you just have to simply accept to the terms and conditions. Here we want to sell our USDT, so you need to select USDT in the top and tap on sell. Then you will be able to see all of the merchants that you can use in order to sell your USDT. So you just have to select any of the merchants that you like. If you want to know about the criteria of selecting a merchant, then let me tell you that the merchant that you are selecting should have all of the payment options, including your bank transfer. The trade completion rate should be above 95%, as well as their trades also should be around 500 above. So you just have to select that type of merchant. So as you can see that currently this is the merchant that meet all the criteria that I show you. So you just have to tap on the sell button right next to it, and here you need to enter the amount of USDT in this section. After that, select the payment method and tap on the sell USDT option. After that, you just have to simply wait for some time until you receive your money in your bank account. Once you receive your money in your bank account, you just have to tell Binance that you received your money, and then you just have to sell your USDT to them. So this way you will be able to withdraw your money from Tonkeeper to your bank account. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.